Welcome to video. Myself D.K. Lakhe, working as a lecturer in electrical engineering department. So today we'll come to know that the use of different tools used for the wiring purpose, electrical wiring purpose point of view. So before that, all of you must be know the different name of tools which are used for the maintenance purpose point of view. Okay, so we'll start. So we know that for doing the maintenance work or to cutting the wire, so this is one of the tool. The name is, this tool is the stripper, okay, or insulation remover. So how to remove insulations or to cut remove, we'll see one sample. So for to cut the wire, I'm going to use this type of stripper. Suppose you have to remove the insulations, you have to keep wire here, okay, and you have to remove the insulation, okay. So with the help of that, we can remove the insulation. That's why this tool is most widely used to removal of insulation and to cut the wire, okay. Then we have the different pliers. So we know that this is the combinational plier. So this plier consists of, this is metallic portion and this is your rubber grip, okay. So rubber grip is provided to provide the mechanical support or to hand, as well as one more part is to be there. So this rubber also provides the insulation to hand, so to protect it from live wire, okay. That's why this rubber grip is provided. One more these are another two types of pliers. So this plier is known as the nose plier. So basically where this combinational plier cannot be reached, at that point this nose plier is also used. Especially these are used for the twisting of wires, okay. Same function is to be provided by this plier. So to removing of screws or to tightening of screws or to bending of wire, to twist the wire, for that purpose this type of plier is used for different applications, okay. Now we have the soldering gun, okay. Suppose we have to do the soldering for particular portion, so or to joint, after joining we are providing the soldering with the help of this gun, okay. This is known as the soldering gun. Then this is the knife, okay. With the help of knife you can also remove the insulation of wire, okay. So depending upon the requirement, this type of knife is used, okay. Then we have the screwdriver. The function of screwdriver is that to tightening or to removing the screw, okay. So the difference between tester and screwdriver is that screwdriver does not have any part, but in the tester we can test the continuity, okay. So this portion is provided for the gripping purpose point of view, okay. So we can hold that screw or we can tight the screw effectively, okay. Then we have this tape also, cello tape. Then we have insulation tape, but this is not an insulation tape but somewhat similar. So we can use the insulation tape where we have provided the joint, okay. So this is one of the most used tools in electrical engineering, known as the multimeter. So multimeter have the different functions. Like this we can measure the AC voltage, DC voltage, we can measure the resistance, we can check the continuity of particular supply, and we can also measure the current, okay. In some case AC current is also possible, and in some cases AC as well as DC both are possible, okay. So we'll see one sample. Here two probes are provided, so we'll see one test. That test is known as the continuity test, okay. So we'll check it out. When we are going to connect two wires, let us consider this wire is available. So I am going to check whether this wire is working or not, okay. So with the help of continuity test we can check it, okay. So I connected here and another is here. If the beep is sound, so it means this wire is okay, okay. Beep is sound means wire is okay. If there is no beep, means there is breakage of wire inside, okay. Then we'll see some tools, some another tools. These are also used for the maintenance purpose point of view. These are some chisels, okay, on fines. This is chisel and this is file, okay. So for doing fine work, for this purpose this file is to be used. Then this is our hacksaw, Okay, so doing any carpentry work or for preparation of board, this tool is very useful. Okay, then we have, yes, this one is our SWG, known as the standard wire gauge. Okay, so SWG, why it is used? For to measure the diameter of wire. Okay, to measure the gauge of wire. Okay, let us consider this is one of the wire. I am going to put in the appropriate hole. Okay, after putting particular hole, we'll find out the particular, yes, so in this point this wire is going effectively. Okay, so means the gauge number is 19. Okay, gauge number is 19 and gauge is 1.02. so this tool is used to find out the gauge of wire. This name of this tool is the SWG, that is standard wire gauge. Okay, then we have the test lamp. Okay, we have the test lamp. With the test lamp we can test the different equipments, whether they are working or is any there leakage current or not. Okay, I have prepared myself this test lamp. So what I have did here, I have taken the supply from phase, okay, and directly given to the here, and one more wire is to be used. The supply is not to be given for that, and directly I am going to check it with the help of this test lamp. Okay, now we'll see some another apparatus which are used for the maintenance purpose pointer. Okay, so these are the switches. All you know the switches are to be used. This is single pole switch, okay, having 2 terminals, and this is the two-way switch having 3 terminals. Okay, so how to identify when 2 terminals are available? This is single pole switch. When 3 terminals are available, so this is the 2-pole switch. Especially this type of switches are used for the staircase wiring, go down wiring, or hospital wiring. Okay, so then we have the holders. Okay, so these are the 2 types of holders. Depending upon the requirement, this type of holders are to be placed. Then this is the choke. Okay, this some lamps are available. This is our mercury vapor lamp. This is the sodium vapor lamp. Okay, so depending upon the requirement, they use these different tools and accessories are to be classified. Okay, then we have this is one of the toolkit is available in our lab. So in this toolkit we may use the different accessories for different purposes. Okay, so this is one of the toolkit where we can perform or we can keep the all the apparatus. Okay, thank you.